Hello fellow traders, welcome to FX View with another review. So today is gonna be about the Trading 212, as is an online brokerage aiming to make the world of trading securities and forex more accessible. Our review of this Trading 212 service includes information on the platform, trading fees, the demo account and pro account, minimum deposits and payment methods. So starting with the platform, the trading platform of Trading 2012 runs on is an extremely strong element of this brokerage service. Optimized for the mobile user experience, the platform is very simple to navigate around, yet offers a powerful range of features, charts and analyzes without feeling clunky or overburdened. One excellent feature is the ability to place trades on multiple ways and perform several operations on the same trading pair simultaneously. Some investors may prefer more complex or feature-rich platform, often found on MT4, but equally many will appreciate the custom-built bespoke feel of the Trading 212 app. The demo account allows traders to experiment with platforms and find the one that suits them best. So, Trading 212 boasts a huge range of over 1,800 tradable assets. This includes over 150 forex pairs, a comprehensive range of cryptocurrencies, including Ripple, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, as well as more traditional asset types such as indices, stocks, and commodities. Trading 212 offers relatively tight spreads, although admittedly not the tightest in the market. Some assets have better spreads than others, with spreads on cryptocurrencies remaining competitive. One area Trading 212 excels is commission, offering absolutely commission-free trading across a range of asset classes. An enormous differentiation factor between them and other brokers. They do, however, charge fees for currency conversion, although this isn't unusual. The leverage is offered at a rate of around 1 to 300 for professional accounts, higher than many other brokers. Leverage increases the risk of losses as well as profits, so traders must use it wisely. The maximum leverage does not need to be used for every trade. Retail traders in the European Union will see leverage capped at 113 or lower for certain markets such as cryptocurrency, where the regulators insist of maximum leverage of 1-2. Trading 212 offers various payment options including bank transfers, credit and debit card transactions, and a selection of digital wallets. Full details are available in the facts section on this website, but most mainstream funding methods are available. You can withdraw money directly to your bank account, although there are minimum withdrawal limits imposed, and money should be in your account within 2 to 3 business days. The Trading 212 allows users to easily toggle between real and practice accounts, removing the hassle of the setting up two separated accounts. Setup is very simple, taking under a minute or a new account to be up and running. The same account can be switched between real and practice funds, simplifying the use of both accounts. Trading 212 offers a range of offers to its users, including an up-to-date economic calendar, detailed but succinct technical analysis for each tradable asset, a daily world news update, and a whole host of educational video and written tutorials explaining critical trading concepts. Graphs and analysis. Users can browse comprehensive forms uh, for further advice, and the fact section is well organized and extensive. So trading and 212 is fully compliant with the lasted European Union regulations. They are regulated by the FCA in the UK, the FCC and in Bulgaria, making it one of the most heavily regulated online brokerage services on the market. That means all trades are fully licensed and users can feel safe and secure conducting business on Trading 212. Filling the position of the most popular trading app brings with it a certain level of scrutiny in the press. So, the company has rigorous financial controls and measures in place to ensure it remains fully compliant with the latest regulation. In conclusion, Trading 212 is an online brokerage service for investors, both new and experienced, with an excellently designed bespoke mobile app, commission-free trading, a simple account structure, and a whole host of additional educational features. Trading 212 offers fantastic level of customer support and easy withdrawal of funds. All of this makes it a great option for a would-be investor to explore. That being said, guys, thanks for watching. See you on another broker review.